Hello learners, today we're going to learn about nouns and gender. So let's start our new topic, gender. There are 4 types of gender in English. First, masculine gender. Second, feminine gender. Third, common gender. Fourth, neuter gender. First, masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. Example: boy, father, lion. Second, feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female is said to be of the feminine gender. Example: girl, mother, bride, vixen. Third, common gender. A noun that can be referred to both a male and a female is said to be of the common gender. Example: baby, cousin, friend. Four, neuter gender. A noun that can refers to a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. Example: toy, chair, mountain. Read the masculine and feminine forms of some nouns carefully. Masculine and feminine. Monk, nun. Shepherd, shepherds. Emperor, emperors. Waiter, waiters. Wizard, witch. Gender, goose. Bridegroom, bride. Fox, vixen. Exercise: fill in the blanks with the suitable nouns from those given in brackets. The witch wizard flew away on her broomstick. The witch flew away on her broomstick. The duck laid her eggs in a bush. The duck laid her eggs in bush. We saw a waitress quarreling with her manager. We saw a waitress quarreling with her manager. The fox vixen at the zoo gave birth to a litter of puppies yesterday. The vixen at the zoo gave birth little puppies yesterday. The tigress licked her cubs. The tigress licked her cubs. Little Bo Peep lost her sheep. She was a shepherdess. She was a shepherdess. Seema's sister's husband in her sister-in-law, brother-in-law. Seema's sister's husband is her brother-in-law. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.